right, guys, Craig here again, howtopest.com. Today we're going to show you how to use Pur Black, and this is the Pur Black Gun, Todol gun. They make different versions of it. This is the one that we sell on the site, and this is great if you need to seal up those holes and gaps. You professionals, you probably already use this. Those of you that don't, this is what it looks like after you install it. Usually we back it with hardware cloth. This is 1/4 inch hardware cloth, and we're doing this to keep rodents out from underneath the soffit. You want to shake the can really well. Works better if it's over 65 degrees outside, 60. Other than that, just shake really well for at least a minute upside down before you screw the can into place. Once you have the can, it pops the lid. I may show you that in a different video. And then you just screw this thing into place, right side up. And do not do it like this. You'll take all the air out of the can and waste all the foam you have. But this is going to control how much foam shoots in and out of this can. And then it locks tight when you're done. Comes with a, or you can buy a cleaner with it, I should say, that'll actually clean this out. That'll either screw on just like this and spray the cleaner through, or you can just spray the tip off, which we'll probably do at the end, and just leave this can on here. Because we use this all the time. So here's how it goes. It's been shook up. We got the screen in place, and usually what I do is I do up and down like this. And then just control it with how much pressure you put on the trigger. If you need to open it up anymore to put out more, you can. You usually don't, because that's if you're gonna fill a giant gap. And then I come back and I fill. So then I come back and do my line. This stuff is really clean and blends right in once it dries. Oh, quick note. So, first thing you do, we did on this one, you can see the wet mark. Spray the area first with just a little bit of water, and then lightly hit it when you're done. The water helps the foam cure. And that's it, guys. This stuff's pretty basic. Just lock this thing back down when you're done. Always have a towel on with you because you're gonna wipe off the excess as you go. And then if you're done for the day, use the cleaner, clean it out. If you're done with the can, take it off, screw the can on, the cleaner can, press the button, it'll flush that thing out inside there so nothing dries up on you. And that's it. This is the Pur Black Foam, great for sealing up any of those cracks and crevices that you have for rodent jobs or anywhere else around the house, especially AC lines, any gaps where they've ran pipes into the house. And then also back it first with a hardware cloth. It just gives it that double security. So that's it, guys. Craig at howtopest.com. Remember, subscribe to the channel down below. We appreciate it. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Take care.